Unveiling the foundation. Understanding, lay the groundwork. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and widely used phrase, lay the groundwork. This phrase is a cornerstone in both everyday and professional English, and understanding it can significantly enhance your communication skills. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and see some examples in action. Stay tuned to lay the groundwork for your English proficiency. Lay the groundwork is an idiomatic expression that means to establish a solid foundation or basis for something. It involves doing the necessary preparatory work or initial steps needed to support the success of a project, idea, or plan in the future. This phrase is metaphorically derived from construction, where the groundwork is the first and essential step before building structures. By laying the groundwork, you are essentially preparing the ground for something significant that will follow. Using lay the groundwork is suitable in contexts where you're talking about preparing, planning, or setting the stage for future actions or developments. It can be used in both formal and informal settings, making it a versatile addition to your vocabulary. Examples. In business, before launching the new product line, the company needed to lay the groundwork with thorough market research. In education, the teacher laid the groundwork for the students' success by providing them with comprehensive study materials at the beginning of the course. Personal projects. I'm laying the groundwork for my future career by taking relevant courses and networking with professionals in the field. Understanding synonyms and variations can enrich your expression and avoid repetition. Some common synonyms for lay the groundwork include establish the foundation, set the stage, prepare the ground, build the basis. Each of these can be used interchangeably depending on the context and what sounds most natural in the sentence. We hope this video has laid the groundwork for a better understanding of the phrase, lay the groundwork. Remember, mastering a language involves not just learning its words but also the phrases that make your communication nuanced and effective. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to lay the groundwork for your success in English by exploring more phrases and expressions. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.